Guys, we got a lot to do today. First off, as you guys see, here's all the old gears right here. We have the old spider gears, the dowel pin, the little S pin that goes back in, and here are the new beefier ones. These are both Ford Performance. This is the carbon fiber track lock position pack, so comparable to the old ones. You can see a little bit meatier. Supposedly they work better. Both of these kits also came with one of these little pins, but neither of them came with this, so we are going to be reusing this, but everything else is going to be brand new. These are the thicker ones, as you guys can see, and then the clutch packs are a little different, and the spider gears are a little bit thicker too. So as far as doing this, we're going to start on those, and also because I'm picky, we're also going to be doing the hood strut kit. This isn't really a performance mod by any means, but does look better than that. So yeah, we're gonna hop to it. Here, you have to undo this bolt. I think we'll figure out if it works at the end. But this video is posted and this part's still in it, then yeah. Tighten that in there. It is the furthest most bolt from right here, so the bottom little corner. Not these ones that I originally thought, because there's only one of these on this side. So we're gonna do the same on the other side. Next, we're gonna do this. This is already pre-undone up here. We're gonna finish taking both those out and then go from there. I have to take off the top one completely and just loosen this one. This slides into there. That goes up there, and then you just bolt this in, supposedly. Bolt this back in up top. Maybe I'm a little bad at this whole car thing. If I'm being honest. But yeah, hold on. It's kind of weird to do it at a weird angle. But this is how they should look. These, this one should be tucked in at the bottom. It's not actually bolted in like this one is. And then this one's bolted. And then this goes here. So, then I would assume you would just take this and this bottom part on here, and you just push that one in there. So one side is done. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to record the full process on the other side. Probably wouldn't use power tools and torque them all the way down. This side, once again, in the corner. Got break it first. You guys don't have to disconnect the battery. It's just I so happen to. Take that out, and then put it here. And drop it. And you just gotta retighten it. That's good. So now for up top, you take this one completely off. And then you loosen this one at the bottom. Probably could have loosened it less, but it's fine. So what you're going to do, slide this into there. And put this top one through. Make sure you have your head held up or something so you can get that one back in correctly. You want to make sure your hood is aligned perfectly when you're doing this. Probably should take it out, but it'll be fine. And you take the bottom, put it in here. It says you can remove some of this if you want. I'm not going to because it'll just slide in. And you twist this side. There. Make sure this is tight so that way it doesn't release any fluid. And theoretically speaking, I can take the hood latch off right here. Yeah, we're good. So now I can get rid of this. So as you guys can see, I'm not going to close it all the way because I still got tools and everything. But it does work, and then it does lock up. So solid product. That actually does not pinch. So this is for your windshield wiper fluid. You'll be good. These are both tying down all the way. Those are both tying down all the way. And no issues. However, that is Ford Performance as well as those two items over on the table. Only issue is no stickers. So I guess Ford doesn't want you repping that you have a Ford product. So, you know, 3 out of 10 on that. Everything else, 10 out of 10. Took us maybe literally 15 minutes, and half of it was just setting up time for the video. So, yeah, easy. They're around 80 bucks, so no complaints for the price. Although it is technically not needed, you could definitely get away with using this. But why have that when you could go with these?